Hi friends, Idan is here, and if you wonder how you can fall asleep faster at night, then you are at the right place, because if you're having trouble to fall asleep at night, I have 3 tips for you that will help you to not only fall asleep faster but also have a good night's sleep. So let's jump right into it. The first tip is doing an evening yoga session, a bedtime yoga session, especially a session that focused more on stretching and just relaxing the body, because when you do an evening session, especially a stretchy one, it's gonna help release all the accumulated stress in the body, all the stress that we accumulated during the day from the running, the to-do list, the work, everything we hold in our body. But by releasing it with a stretch yoga session, it will help you just to let go and to break down the stress hormone in the body, cortisol, and this way you will be able to relax and fall asleep faster and also sleep better during the night. You can do bedtime yoga for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and even longer, up to 1 hour long. It really ups to you, but a 5 to 10 minute stretchy session is gonna do the work for you, gonna help you release and relax. If you need help, I'm gonna leave you a link below for a session like this that you can do and follow along. Let's move to the second tip. The second tip that will help you to fall asleep faster at night and have a good night's sleep is breathing exercises. Oh yeah. Breathing exercises are so wonderful to relax the body and help you fall asleep faster because they relax the nerve system. Because during the day our nerve system become active because we have so much things and stimulates from the environment, so the nerve system become active and reactive to everything, and most of the time we switch into the fight or flight mode because of all the stress. But by doing breathing exercises like the alternate nostril breathing or box breathing, I'm gonna leave you a link below this video so you can learn more about those exercises. Those breathing will help you to switch from the fight or flight to rest and digest mode. So basically just calming down the nerve system from the inside, and this will help you to stop feeling agitated all the time and just let go, relax and sleep like a baby. Now let's move to the third tip. The third one is my babe's favorite tip to fall asleep, and it's guided meditation. Just listening to guided meditation helps to calm the stressful mind, to quiet the busy mind, because we have so many thoughts running through our mind every single day, every single moment. And if we are not able to calm the mind, quiet the mind, then we are not able to fall asleep, because we keep on thinking, keep on stressing, and this just activating the brain, then activating the nerve system, and then putting stress in the body. So by listening to guided meditation, it helps you to really slow down the thoughts, clearing the mind, clearing the thoughts, and as a result, you able to relax, and then relax the nerve system, and then relax the body, and then fall asleep and stay asleep during the night. So by listening to guided meditation, you can find a ton of them online, on YouTube, or inside my ashram, for example. You can put your headphone on or just place the phone next to you, hit play, close your eyes and listen. You can do it while you are laying in bed, the best way, and you just listen slowly. It's gonna calm you down, clear your mind, and you're gonna fall asleep super fast and stay relaxed. So there you have it, 3 tips that will help you to fall asleep faster and have a good night's sleep. So let's recap it very fast. The first one, my favorite one, is a bedtime yoga session, a stretchy session just to relax the muscle, to relax the body, to break down the stress hormone cortisol from the body. The second one is to do breathing exercises from the yoga world, like alternate nostril breathing or box breathing, that will help you to calm down the nerve system. And the last but not least is listening to guided meditation that will help you to calm down the busy mind. Now, if you're gonna do all three, start with a stretchy session, breathing, and finish with guided meditation, you're gonna sleep so good. You can't even imagine. So pick one, pick all three, pick two of them, try, and just notice how you feel from one night to the other. Now, if you are not sure where to find a stretchy bedtime yoga session or a breathing exercises or guided meditation, I want to invite you to come and practice with me inside my online studio, Ashram. In there you're gonna find a bedtime yoga session, you can find breathing exercises and guided meditation that will help you fall asleep and just keep your body and keep your mind in top shape. You can try the ashram for only $1 by clicking the link up in here or below this video. So go check it out and relax and enjoy. So thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, hit the like and the bell ding 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 so you won't miss a thing. And of course, if you have a bestie that can benefit from these tips, that needs to hear those tips, click the share button, send it over so they can enjoy this one as well. So thank you again for being here with me, and until the next video, always remember to do yoga because it just makes life better. See you. Bye bye.